Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm back with another video for you, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed and how I did arrogante inspired baby hair for my clients. Okay, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already braided down my client's hair, and the next thing I'm going to do is to use 99% alcohol to clean her skin, and I'm going to blow dry that. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in with my Got to Be Free spray it on the edges and use my brush to slick down the edges, and also go in with my blow dryer on cool to dry it up. Alright guys, the next thing I'm going to do is a ball cap method. We want that cappy illusion. So yes, and I always use stocking cap which I got from Dollarama. So I'm using the one that is closest to our skin, and I'm going to go in with my Got to Be Free spray that on the edges, and I'm going to blow dry that as well. So now it's dried. I'm going to go in with my scissors to cut the excess. Sorry guys if you heard my son's voice. He's not sleeping yet. So okay, back to it guys. So yes, so to make sure the hair tab is laid, you want to spray Got to Be Free spray on your finger, hold it with your hand and blow dry it. Okay, make sure you don't remove your hand until it's fully dried. If it's not dry and you remove your hand, the stocking cap is gonna roll back, okay, and we don't want that. So now I'm going to go in with 99% alcohol to clean our skin. And the next thing I'm going to do is to apply Ruby K's cream foundation in a shade, like she's bosses, like she's ball cap method. So that's how to do your ball cap method. So the next thing I'm going to do is to apply the same cream foundation on the lace. So I'm going to go ahead to spray some Got to Be Free spray and blow dry it. Then I went in with my hot comb, to comb all the baby hairs away. And I'm just fitting it on her head, trying to see how things are looking. You can ask your client to hold it down. Then I cut out the lace at the back, and that's just me trying to see how things are looking before we start gluing. And I also try to figure out where I'll be gluing as well. And that was Lexi again, like they are besties, so they always come here together. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to clean our skin before applying my Bold Skin Protect. Okay, you want to make sure you clean the skin because you just applied foundation, and if you just apply your glue straight up like that, it's not going to last long. Like it might slide right off before your clients get home, or if you're doing it for yourself before you get home. So you want to make sure you clean the skin with 99% alcohol or soapy water as well before putting your Skin Protect. So once my Skin Protect was dried, so I went in with my BOLDHOLDACTIVE. Yes, so I used 3 layers, and when you put your first layer, you want to make sure it turns clear before applying the second layer, then your third layers. I always use 3 layers. You can use 4, you can use 1, depending on how long you want to wear your wig for. But for my clients, I always use 3 layers for them, and that gives them up to 2 weeks hold. Yeah, so now I'm going to go in with my rat tape comb the head all the way to the back, you know, like I'm melting the lace into the skin. Okay, so and this point, yeah, this particular step, it's very important. You want to make sure you blow dry it on high heat, because you need the heat to melt the glue into the skin and into the lace as well. So please make sure you blow dry it on high heat, and I did that for good 10-15 minutes. Like, trust me, if you can even do it longer, yes, go ahead to do that. So now I'm fixing the hair tab area, like cutting the excess lace on the hair tab. And as you guys can see, I missed some spots. So if you do miss any spots, feel free to go back in and put and apply your glue. Okay, do the same thing, like 3 layers before putting your lace down. So I actually did 3 layers, but off camera I didn't want to start showing you guys all of that process all over again. Yeah, so now this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Okay guys, to do your baby hair, you want to section out the baby hairs, okay? Yes, so section it out just like that, and you are going to go in with your eyebrow razor to cut it, like cut it, cut it, cut it. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in with my eyebrow razor to cut the baby hairs. So for the front part, I'm cutting it short, and the side is gonna be longer. So I'm going to cut this other side a little bit longer as well. So now I'm going to go in with my styling mousse and my got2b gel. I mix both together, and I'm using this brush that comes with makeup brush. Okay, I couldn't leave my hands on my edges brush. So to make the baby hairs, so I'm going to comb it down, use one of my fingers to hold the hair and make my swoop, just like so. So for the side, I'm going to do the same thing, comb it down, then use one of my fingers to hold it and make the swoop. And that side was a little bit longer, so I went in with the eyebrow razor as well to cut it. Then I corrected the swoop. So for the third swoop, I'm going to do the same thing, and yes, and the sideburns. So I'm just gonna make the swoop as well. You know, use one of your fingers to hold it down. And for the sideburns, so I'm making the swoop inward. So it was a little bit long, so I went in with the eyebrow razor to cut it. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm done. I'm going to go in with my elastic band. You can ask your client to hold it, and her friend was around. She was helping me hold the hair, and I'm going to tie it down. Now we're going to blow dry it for good 15 minutes. Like, this step is very important. You need the glue to melt back into the skin because you just applied a mousse. Okay, so we're going to blow dry it, and Lexi is always very helpful. Shout out to you, Lexi. Yeah, so she was helping me. So guys, if you want a tutorial on how to define your curls, the product I used, I do have a video on that, and I'm going to link it in the description bar below, or you can click somewhere above here to watch it. And thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you. God bless every one of you. Like, now I have 135 subscribers. Like, I'm so grateful to every one of you. God bless you. And yes, she was so happy with her install. Like, okay, so today was our first time that this video, it's been a while, so I just edited it. Guys, make sure you check that video out so you know the product I use to define curls and how I do it. Okay, yes guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. If you do try to make your own baby hairs, please let me know. Send me a picture on my Instagram, is at slayedbymt. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs it up, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Yes, so guys, I went in with my hot comb, you know, to slick her down. Like I love it. So I went in with my rat comb, you know, to better define the parts. So now I went back in with my cream foundation to define the part as well. And look at how scrappy she's looking. Like, where's the lace, sis? I can't even find her. Show me the lace. What do you guys think about this install? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Thank you guys once again. Bye, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you. Mwah.